when you work as an artist, it's natural to be human being yourself and to talk. You have a narrative that has to do with your own life and with the larger questions of existence. Anything we can think about or anything we can communicate about is about humanity. And in some of my work, it's been more direct. When I photographed streets, it was sort of about the unconscious part of decision-making, or unconscious impulses that lead to certain urban solutions.
The relationship between art and science is simultaneously really complex, but also quite simple to my mind. Science and art, to me, are two modes of inquiry, in the sense that they're two ways of asking and answering questions about the world. So from a scientific perspective, what we try to do is we try to reduce all of nature down to its very fundamental scale, down to its most constituent parts, and to try to understand the basic rules of nature. And to do that, we have to ask questions in a certain way. And then science is a set of tools that allows us to answer those questions in a very controlled way.
Siamo molto fieri di avere con noi oggi Thomas Struth e James Beacham. Si incontrano sia due proprio specialisti, due personaggi del più alto livello nei due ambiti.
What I would say is that the research that I do is fascinating because we're trying to understand things that are literally impossible for humans to ever experience directly. You will never hold a Higgs boson in your hand. There's an ontological gap between what we want to know and what we can possibly experience. And the way that the intermediary between those two things are the scientists. So in a sense, I'm a filter.
In a certain way, the camera is the most scientific tool, but it's not really scientific because the camera needs an author, so the author is always subjective. The efficiency of art is debatable, and I feel that art is a particular possibility to observe something in silence. It's a contemplative, thoughtful entity, which I appreciate very much, and I think that has increasing importance today.
Ammetto di avere più un debole per l'arte che per la scienza, quindi credo che l'arte ci possa avvicinare alla scienza in modo diverso. Ci vogliono le persone giuste per farlo, ci sono degli esperimenti come questo che vanno proprio in questa direzione, perché credo che la scienza spaventi ancora molti.